My dear star coral cookie, when the time comes, follow the melody and collect a beam of moonlight. I'm sure it'll be the adventure of your lifetime.
Oh, lady, do you really want to keep telling tales in this state? Look at the light in the lighthouse. It's dimming by the minute.
Grams was not lying. I'll return from my adventure and show him all. I'll show him how bright the lighthouse will shine. Just like the moonlight. Shine bright! The light won't go out! Brighter! Brighter! Grams used to say the star song is the way to meet the moonlight. I'm sure I can find answers in the lyrics.
Wake up, you sleepyhead. I hope you can find what you're looking for. Bye!
We shall prevail.
How much further do I have to go? Wait, I see it now. This must be the giant's great ocean. Oh, I don't have time for this. I'm here at the giant's great ocean, which means Cookie Run Kingdom. The moonlight will keep the lighthouse shining.